Okay, my friends, it is a new year and we are here again in my kitchen. I just wanted to kind of do this video pretty quickly of a product that I have found to be a super incredible value. It's Clorox. We all know the name, but this Clorox Cleaner+Bleach, we were actually able to pick it up at our local Costco. I imagine some of the other clubs, Sam's Clubs, BJ, they might have something similar, if not the exact product. But my wife and I, we got our Costco membership, I think like 3 years ago. And one of the first times we went there, we got our first one of these. And it's now 2020, and this is my replacement one. I'm actually still working on this one. It's pretty empty though, so I'll be breaking into this guy pretty soon. But I mean, if you think about how long I've had that, and obviously I've got this channel about cleaning, and I clean our house pretty regularly. So you can imagine, like, it's not something that we do once a month or anything like that. I'm using it very regularly. And yet, you know, I've had it for 3 years now before I'm getting into the second one. And that's because when you buy this from them, you get your spray bottle and it's full, but then you also get this refill bottle. It's 180 ounces. I guess it accounts for 5 refills of this. So technically you're getting 6 of the spray bottles when you purchase one of these. And you know, prices may vary, but I don't even think it was that expensive, probably under $20. I might have to check on that, and I will put that in the description below. But I use it primarily to clean our bathrooms, so sinks and toilets. It is a degreaser, so I guess you could use it in the kitchen as well. Obviously, it is a product with bleach, so we kind of learned the hard way that you want to use specific cloths to clean, or whatever your methods are. We actually like to use like a microfiber cloth, but one time my wife accidentally used a washcloth, and so now we've got a different colored washcloth now because it had been bleached. But it's a great product. I obviously don't have to even like share with anyone what Clorox bleach is. It's, you know, it's a household name, but it is a very effective product. And I think aside from Costco's toilet paper and their hot dog / soda combo, this is probably one of the better values that they have to offer. I'm just like blown away that we've had it so long and that I do clean pretty regularly. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of make a video promoting this product. I do have some other videos planned for the channel, some big plans for the year. This is just something I kind of wanted to throw together quickly. I am you know, I clean on Fridays. My thought process being, you know, we like to spend time at home on the weekend for R&R, just catching up from the week. So I always like it to be clean, you know, when we're gonna be here the most. And so Friday's my cleaning day. I'm not sure if you have, you know, your kind of tradition on what day you like to clean. Maybe it's Sunday so that the house is clean when you go off to work. But I am just cleaning the house, and I'm about to have to break into the new one, and I just figured I would make a video just kind of as a testament to how great a value this is and how long it's lasted me. So if you have a Costco, if you have maybe another club membership or something like that that they sell this, I would definitely recommend it. One thing too, while I'm on the subject, something I'd like to kind of delve into on the channel would be to start using green products and just kind of reviewing their effectiveness. You know, products that don't have harsh chemicals, natural vinegar-based products, whatever it might be. I know obviously there's a huge market for that, and I understand the value behind that, but I would like to kind of delve into that world and sample some products. So I've got some videos planned in sort of that direction, but then also some other like cleaning tips, things that are pesky, you know, things that it's like, how the heck do you even clean this? I want to start tackling some of those types of things just to share the knowledge on, you know, how to safely do something or effectively do it. But just wanted to put this together saying, hey, buy this product. It's a great value. It's awesome. I use it a ton and it's lasted me a very long time. All right, guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos to come.